Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. My name is Misha and I upload videos on Sundays around luxury, lifestyle, beauty, and fashion. So if you're here for that, let's go. Alright, you guys know I love luxury items, and you might also know that I live about an hour and a half away in good traffic from any luxury stores. In addition to that, I work in order to be able to afford these luxury items, and so I can't drop everything on a whim to go there when a collection drops, or when, you know, something, sorry, my neighbor is just running in the backyard. So I can't drop everything when a collection drops, or it's a little kid. I can't drop everything when a collection drops, or if something goes on sale and drive an hour and a half there and an hour and a half back. You know, that's a trip. That's when I go there, it's I'm gonna make a day out of it. I'm not working that day. And so when they're hard to get items that you know will sell out in a split seconds, for example, that coin purse from Coach, you know, if you can't get it online, you have to go in store. Well, if I can't get it online, I'm gonna miss it because I won't be able to head out in store. And the Murakami collection by Louis Vuitton was no exception. So I have an unboxing for you today, and I'm going to tell you how I got this and many of my other purchases, even though I live so far away. So this is an item that I've had now in my possession for maybe a month or two. Whenever it came out, I got it. But I paid for it last year, so I'm still on my no spend quarter. The secret weapon is having a sales associate or an SA. And I have multiple sales associates for multiple boutiques in multiple cities. And so that is the way I kind of get the items without actually going to the store. Now, you can't always do this. I'm a Chanel girly, as you know, but with a new drop with Chanel, you have to be in store for the first 2 weeks, I believe. After 2 weeks, then your SA can mail things out to you, and there's certain things they can't mail. Like, I don't think they can mail a classic flap. But if you know anything about this luxury game that we're playing, a lot of the times the items will be sold out even before the 2-week cutoff time. So some things I'm just gonna miss out on, and that's fine. If I really want something, like I really wanted this, I actually sent someone to the store on the day it dropped to get this, and this wasn't even there. It was all sold out by the time she got in, and ended up getting this. So sometimes you do have to be in store to get the item, or else it'll sell out very quickly. But on those other occasions that you don't have to be in store, you can either ask your SA to charge your card on the day, to put you on the wait list, and charge your card on the day that it comes. In the case of my Murakami piece, my SA and she sent me all the information of all the pieces that were coming out. I was able to look through a catalog of sorts, pick out what I want, and then I paid for the item last year. So I think it was sometime in November or December. I paid for the item, and I knew it wouldn't arrive till January or February, whenever it arrived. She sent me a receipt via our method of communication. For us, it's mainly Instagram. And I was able to hold on to that. So I paid for it, and the bag's coming. And she would keep me abreast of, you know, when it's coming, when it's going to drop. And then, you know, it's all over social media anyway. One thing that I did not like about this particular method, this particular time, and I've done this many times before, and it's been very good. But what I didn't like this time was, I feel that the packaging, the whole Murakami experience, was not given to me, even though I paid the same price as someone who went into the boutique or who bought directly from the boutique and not through a Saks SA. And what do I mean by that? Well, I think that it came with Murakami tissue paper, and so this did not. Also, my box came with this ribbon here, and if you know anything about Louis Vuitton ribbon is blue. And I think they had a special ribbon for the Murakami, and I didn't even get the special ribbon, and I didn't even get the regular Louis Vuitton ribbon. This is a Saks ribbon for the Saks packaging. So I know this sounds really silly, just listening back to it and editing, but I promise I'm not crazy. You just want it to be perfect. You know what I mean? You just want it to be perfect. Louis Vuitton packaging is never the best, but the Murakami packaging was all over social media, and it was really good. And so I really wanted that, and I was kind of disappointed when that happened. I almost called her, but I didn't, because I kept seeing people saying the same thing. Oh, they're out of the Murakami bag. They're out of the Murakami tissue paper. So I ended up getting this little sweetie. This little thing is so adorable. So quick story. I wanted a Speedy so bad. And when I went to buy my first luxury item myself, I bought a Louis Vuitton piece, and it was the Alma BB. It's up here. This. I bought this in Thailand, and it had my initials monogrammed on it. So when I went into the store and came out with that, I actually went in to get a Speedy 25. And for some reason I didn't. I was just like, oh, I don't know if that's me. This is more me. It's kind of ladylike. And I never came back around to getting the Speedy. But now I have a Speedy, and it is in the Murakami print, and it is adorable. Has this little bow tag that goes on it. I know you've seen these all over. Inside is belt. Has no pockets. It's just one compartment, and it has, of course, a crossbody strap. This thing is adorable, and I can't wait to wear it in the spring and in the summer. I think it's gonna look cute with a bunch of my dresses. And I would never have had a chance to get my hands on any of these pieces if I had to go the traditional route. If I had to wait until my day off and go to the Louis Vuitton store in Atlanta, it would have been sold out by that time. Because this sold out pretty much the day it came out. Now there are other pieces that were still available if you wanted just to have a part of that collection, but I wanted a piece that I would wear and enjoy. And you know, because these things are pricey, so you don't want, I at least don't want to have it just to have it. I want to be able to wear it and enjoy it and be happy with the way I spent my money. So this was what I got from the Murakami piece, and I'm very excited about it. I wasn't too excited when I unboxed it. And so if I'm not too excited when I unbox something, I tend to just put it in the corner and sulk and try to get over my disappointment. But it wasn't a disappointment in the bag, it was a disappointment in the delivery system. So would I say this is a good way to get items? Absolutely, 100% yes. If you're like me and live in a town that's far away from any kind of luxury store, then you have to make connections with SAs and luxury store that are willing to do business with you remotely. I mean, this is 2025, so we have to be able to do that. I like to get these popular items from the store because I don't want to pay a premium, and I've actually not done that, you know, up until now, so we'll see. So yeah, if you have any other questions about how I get luxury items while living so far away from luxury stores, please leave your comments down below. And guys, I will see you next Sunday. Bye.